first step for this mandala that we're going to draw together is to get the skeleton or the structure of the mandala established on the page. For that, I'm using a couple different compasses and a ruler. The next step is to use my pencil to sort of lay out the general shapes that I want to create in my mandala. I had so much fun laying all 5 of these colors down in very deliberate areas. I was trying to see if, for instance, the yellow and the orange would look different when on a black background. They're pretty similar, but I was really pleased with the periwinkle and the pink and the green and how much contrast those 3 colors had from each other. Overall, I'm really pleased with how this mandala turned out, especially the little smear sections that I did to get a different shade of those 5 beautiful pastel colors.